वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज से हम अपने चैनल पर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं DSSB PRT के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज, जो कि रिलेटेड रहेंगे एजुकेशनल साइकोलॉजी एंड टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड से। आई होप कि ये वीडियो काफ़ी यूज़फुल रहे आगे आने वाले किसी भी टीचिंग एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ, बट उससे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आगे आने वाले वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइमली मिल सके। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। First question is, which of the following are tools of thinking? Mind maps, cognitive research, trust, concepts. So the correct answer is option 4, first, second and third. Next, which of the following are negative non-verbal reinforcements? Nods and smiles, expression of annoyance, expression of impatience, sneering. So the correct answer is option 1, second, third and fourth. Next, what function is performed by education in every society? To socialize the members of society and transmit the culture to the next generation. To fulfill society's needs pertaining to human resource. Correct answer is option 3, both first and second. Next, which of the following techniques can be used for improving the power of thinking? Models of teaching, remedial teaching and instruction, curriculum development, evaluation and diagnosis. Correct answer is option 3, first, second, third and fourth. Next, which of the following problems can arise due to non-use of a child's native language? Alienation, non-participation, large-scale dropout. Correct answer is option 1, first, second and third. Next, which of the following can be a way for involving community? Monitoring the attendance by community representatives, teaching vocational skill to students with support from the community. So correct answer is option 3, both first and second. Next, who considered society as a system of usage and procedures of authority and mutual aid of many groupings and divisions of controls of human behavior and of liberties. Options are Macpuller and Page, E.L. Thorndike, Ballard या Bandura. So correct answer is option 1. Next, which of the following are the characteristics of an effective method of teaching and learning? Matches the mental ability and needs of the students, develops critical thinking of the children, provides a scope for development of life skills in children. So correct answer is option 4, first, second and third. Next, what should a teacher keep in mind while making lesson plans to encourage discovery learning in her students? The content of the lesson plan should be the responses of the students. The lesson plan should be developed from a previously determined logical structure. So the correct answer is option 4, only first. Next, Dash exhibits a basic level of order, but the teacher still struggles to maintain it. Adequate classroom environment, orderly restrictive learning environment, orderly enabling learning environment, yet dysfunctional classroom environment. So the correct answer is option 1. Next, English language continues to play an important role in India. What are the reasons behind this statement? English is the language for commerce. Proficiency in English is the marker of a dignified and distinct personality. English is used as a medium of education. So the correct answer is option 2, first, second and third. Next, when a child is made to demonstrate dash as normal occurring behaviors, then we say that the behavior modification has taken place in the child. So the correct answer is option 3, that is, when a child is made to demonstrate both elicited behavior and emitted behavior as normal occurring behaviors, then we say that the behavior modification has taken place in the child. Next is, which of the following are the limitations of using learner-centered approach in classroom? Difficult to increase the achievement level of all the students on an average within a limited period of time. It requires teachers who are very sensitive to the needs of the students. So the correct answer is option 4, both first and second. Next, which of the following statement regarding the learning centered approach is correct? It is basically learner centered but includes teachers in the process of learning in a classroom situation. It helps students acquire competence in skill areas and creates lifelong learners. So correct answer is option 4, both first and second. Next, which of the following features does all cooperative learning lessons have? Students work in groups to master academic materials. Groups are heterogeneous, consisting of high, average, and low achievers. Reward systems are group oriented rather than individually oriented. So, the correct answer is option 2, first, second, and third. Next is, which of the following is the first rule for Hindi sound system? If a word starts with a consonant cluster and the first consonant is P, then the consonants that can cluster with P are Y, R, L, and V only and none else. Second, not more than four consonantal sounds can precede a vowel in the word initial position. So the correct answer is option 2, both first and second. Next is, which of the following statement regarding learning by doing or participation is correct? It promotes self learning and self assessment. It gives real experience of solving real life problems. It is a way of combining thinking and reasoning with the practical act of manipulating objects for solving a problem. So the correct answer is option 4, first, second, and third. Next is, which of the following processes are involved in problem solving? Comparing, inferring, classification of objects and data using trial and error. So correct answer is option 2, all. Next is, which of the following are the problems in teaching and learning of mathematics? Crude assessment, lack of interest, inadequate teacher preparation. Correct answer is option 3, first, second, and third. Next is, which of the following is not a dimension of assessment of mathematical learning? Communication, patterns and procedures, disposition towards mathematics, mathematical reasoning. Correct answer is option 2, patterns and procedures. Next, according to the National Curriculum Framework NCF 2005, which of the following are the objectives of teaching EVS? To develop an awareness about environmental issues, to train children to locate and comprehend relationships between the natural, social, and cultural environment, to nurture the curiosity and creativity of the child, particularly in relation to the natural environment. So, the correct answer is option 1, first, second, and third. Next is, which of the following are the basic concepts of John B. Watson? Environmentalism, study of emotions, practical applications. Correct answer is option 3, first, second, and third. Next is, one of the key areas that must be incorporated in teacher education programs is understanding of the sociology of learning, current knowledge about the processes of language and literacy acquisition. Correct answer is option 4, both first and second. Next, which of the following can be considered a creative form while learning EVS? Making collages, songs, poetry, banners. Correct answer is option 2. Next is, which of the following statements does not describe the nature of science? Science is both a body of knowledge and a process. Science is a community enterprise. Science is a global human endeavor. Science is boring. So correct answer is option 4. सो गाइज ये थे आज के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। प्लीज़ इसे लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि आगे आने वाले वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइमली मिल सके। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।